Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer and this is
Ashlyn.
And today we are here because we are unboxing my August Stitch Fix box. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is a clothing styling service where you pay $20 to have a box styled for you. You fill out a style profile to tell the stylist your likes and your dislikes. That stylist will send to you 5 items in your box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, accessories, whatever they want to send to you in the box. You try it on in the comfort of your own home, and you keep what you like and you send back what you don't. The $20 styling fee does get applied to anything that you decide to keep from the box. And if you keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount on the total price of the box, which is a really good deal. So we're gonna get right into my box to see what I got today. When you open up the box, it does give you the directions inside on what to do. You have your return mailer bag for anything that you don't like or anything that you're going to be exchanging. You have your envelope from your stylist, so we're gonna look at that real quick. Inside is the price invoice to tell you the prices of all the items. And you also get a style card and a note from your stylist. So I'm gonna read that real quick. It says, "Happy Fix Day, Jennifer. Can you believe it's already back to school time? The summer goes by way too fast. I'm so happy you loved your pieces in the last fix. For today, I made sure to include those back to school pieces you requested." It says, "You'll find that I've included sleeveless and short sleeve tops since you're allowed to wear them, also to keep cool in the North Carolina heat. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find a cardigan that I felt would be versatile for your wardrobe. I will keep my eyes open for the next fix. I switched things up for your maxi dress and chose a preppy chic style. This is by Sturino, which is an exclusive brand to us. Enjoy, Chiara." And here is my bundle. That's what that side looks like. And this side. Okay. Are you ready? Go ahead. Pop it open, Ashlyn. She likes to do that. So the first item I see on top is very pretty. It is cut from the cloth Linda button-down blouse in off-white. And it looks like this. It's a very pretty blouse. Has like that split neck. It's very sheer because I can see right through it. So you're probably gonna have to wear a cami of some kind. I love those colors. Very pretty. Yeah, I think I really like that. What do you think, Ashlyn?
I like this one.
Let's see what that's made of. It's made of 100% polyester. And some people don't like polyester, but I like it because it's easy to wash and take care of. So that is a very pretty top. I like that a lot. Next is the Rainn Salinka Crochet Detail Cotton Blend Knit Top in white. And it's kind of like an off-white. And it looks like this.
It's soft on like right here.
It's very soft right there. I don't own a lot of white tops. I did buy a Rainn white blouse earlier this year and I like it. I still haven't worn it yet though. I need to. And the back has that crochet detail. Has the 3 buttons down the front. Very soft. So that's very pretty. I like that. What do you think, Ashlyn? You like that one?
I like both of these so far.
Okay. Next, we have by Kaileigh, a Camyla tie sleeve blouse, and it says it's in dark pink, but this is kind of almost like a rust pink, if you ask me. And it looks like this. It's got these little ties on the sleeve. Oh, it has like a little cold shoulder right here.
I can see that too on the other side.
Yep. I can't tell if it's navy or black. What do you think, Ashlyn? Looks black, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Very pretty. Perfect for wearing to work. It's a little bit sheer as well, so you might have to wear something underneath of it. Let's see what it's made of. And it is made of 100% polyester, just like the first blouse. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna like that. That's really cute. Great for wearing to work. Next is the maxi dress. Let's see. Has almost like a crepey feel to it. This is the Sturino Chiara button front maxi dress in navy. And it looks like this. Oh, it has a tie. The tie fell off on the floor, but it has a tie to go around the waist. I'm not sure about this because I'm not a big fan of button down the front stuff. and it goes all the way down. So I'm not sure about that. It does have slips on the side. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. And apparently the tie goes around the waist. So we'll try that on. And then last but not least are the Tribal Fia Cuff Straight Trouser in teal green. And this is a great color for fall. But that's what those look like. They do have a cuff at the bottom. I can't tell if they are supposed to be full length pants or cropped pants, so we won't know until we try them on. So, all right guys, so we are back with the first two pieces from the box, and we'll start with the top. The top is a cut from the cloth Linda button down blouse in off-white. And this is the print. I'll get up close. It's got some nice colors in it. It does have that like hidden button down the front. So it has that piece that overlays. Comes down in the front, but it's a little bit longer in the back. And I think she wanted me to match it with these teal pants. I did put a nude cami on so you can kind of see it through here. So I don't know if nude would be the color I would go with, or maybe a burgundy or something. I'm not sure, but I'll step back. I love these tribal cropped pants. These feel a little bit bigger. I've been getting a 10 of these, but this one has quite a bit of room right here in the waist and in the back. These are a little bit longer than the crop pants I've gotten before, because these come down above the ankle, so they are like a summer pant. So what do you guys think about this? Ashlyn, what do you think?
I think that looks good together.
She likes it. I like the shirt and the pants together. I think this would be a good outfit to wear to school. What do you guys think? Yeah, I like this outfit. I just might need to size down in the pants. All right, I'll be back with the next top. All right, guys, I'm back with the second top. I left on those teal pants, and this is the Rainn Salinka Crochet Detail Cotton Top. And it says white, but it's kind of like a cream or an off-white. And here is the crochet detail right here. It's very soft in the body. The sleeves are really soft like the body. The crochet's on the front. You got the buttons going down the front right here. It's got the crochet in the back. It hips about here. It is not longer on the back side. This might be good to wear with some like a little bit more dressier pants, I think. So what do you guys think? Ashlyn, what do you think about this top? You like it?
They go good together for summer and spring.
She likes the top with the pant. All right, we will come back with that next blouse. All right, I'm back with this third blouse, and this is the Kaileigh Camyla tie sleeve blouse in dark pink. And it looks like this up close. And here's the sleeve. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Like, I don't mind a little cold shoulder, but I wish this was closed up instead of just being held by a tie. So I'm not sure how I feel about it. I just left it on with these teal pants. It comes down about here. It is about the same length in the back. It's these sleeves that are throwing me off. I don't know how I feel about them. Like, I don't hate them, but I don't love them. What do you guys think about these sleeves? Are they just a little weird, or is that just me? Please comment below and give me some feedback on that. And I'll be right back with the dress. All right, guys, I'm back with this dress, and this is from that new, I guess, designer, Katie Sturino, the Chiara button front maxi dress in navy. And I was a little bit skeptical about this dress when it came out of the box because of the buttons going down the front and the tie on the side. More so about the buttons, because they're doing exactly what I was worried about. They are gaping right there as they go down. I don't mind the polka dots, I don't mind the sleeves, but I just am not a big fan of button down the front, like all the way down the front. So it's also a little bit short for me because I'm 5'10" tall. It's hitting me about where the cropped pants were hitting me. So, looks like that. Yeah, this is definitely a no-go. Cute if you didn't have the gaping and all that stuff. I like the print and all of that, but like I said, and it buttons all the way down the front. It has a split in the front, and it has slips on the side, which is cute. I don't mind that, but it is, don't you think it's short, Ashlyn?
Yes, and
It's way too short. I would like it to come down probably about 3 or 4 inches longer, because it is literally hitting me really short. So unfortunately, I don't think this is going to work for me. So, all right, we will be right back with a recap. All right, guys, we are back to do a recap, and I may look like a hot mess, but that's okay. We're going to go ahead and proceed. We're going to start with the first item, and the first item was the cut from the cloth Linda button-down blouse in off-white. That was this blouse right here, and I really liked it. I just got to figure out what type or what color of cami I should wear underneath this blouse. The nude one was kind of showing through, so, but I really like the print. I like the colors. I think it's good for transitioning into fall with the teal and the burgundy and the pink right there, so I think that's a really good blouse. And the cost of that blouse is $58. Next is the maxi dress. And that is this navy maxi dress. This is the Sturino Chiara button front maxi dress in navy. And unfortunately, this is not gonna work for me. I don't like button down the front because it does tend to gape around the bust or in the stomach area. And it did exactly what I was worried about. In addition, it was about 4 inches too short for me. So this will definitely be going back. And the cost of that dress was $88. So it is a little bit pricey. So I'm definitely not going to be keeping that one. Next was the Kaileigh Camyla tie sleeve blouse in dark pink. When I first pulled this out, I really liked it, but I just don't know that I like these sleeves. And so for that reason, I think I'm going to be sending it back. But you guys tell me what you think, if you think it's really cute. It was a little bit hard to get into and get out of. I actually put my arm through the wrong hole and got stuck. Ashlyn had a good time laughing at me, didn't you? And not only one arm stuck, but both arms stuck, which was priceless to watch as I tried to pull myself out of it. That's why I look a hot mess, and I'm actually sweating from that. But tell me what you think about this. It is the cheapest item in the box at $42. Next is the Daniel Rainn Salinka crochet detail cotton top in white. And like I told you, it's more like an off-white or a cream, and I actually really like this. It's very soft. It does, I usually like things to be blousier and flowier around my stomach, but I think this would be really pretty with a pair of black pants or brown pants for the fall. And the cost of this top is $58. And then last but not least, we have the Tribal Fia cuffed straight trouser, and in the teal green, and I love these. They hit about 4 inches above my ankle. They have that cuffed bottom. They have that nice band at the top that helps stretch, keep you in. They are super stretchy, but they are a little bit big. So I think I'm going to see if I can size down to a size 8. And if I can do that, I'm planning on keeping those because I really like them. And the cost of those are $58. So the stylist pick subtotal is $304. If you buy all, you get a 25% discount of $76. So that makes the order subtotal $228. I am not going to be buying all of these items. That is a pricier box for me. I usually like to keep my boxes at $200 and below. So I've got to decide what I'm going to keep. I'm leaning towards keeping the cut from the cloth top, the tribal pants, and the Daniel Rainn top. So if you guys will leave your comments in the comments box below. Tell me what items you think I should keep. I'm going to leave my referral link in the description box. That way you can click on it. If you click on that link, you get $25 towards your first box, and I get $25 as well. So it's a win-win. And until next time.
See you later. Bye.
Bye, guys.